Imagine sunlight filtering through ancient forests, leaves glistening like tiny emeralds. Rivers rush by, sculpting endless valleys, their waters singing a melody older than time. Towering mountains touch the clouds, majestic and unwavering, while wind dances through wild meadows alive with color. Eagles soar overhead, a symbol of pure freedom, as deer move quietly below, blending into the gentle hush of morning. Each moment in nature is alive with wonder, reminding us that beauty surrounds us, vivid, breathtaking, ever-changing. Pause and let your mind wander there. Even in 30 seconds, nature refreshes the soul and ignites hope. Let this moment remind you, the world outside is vibrant, alive, and waiting for you.